Hi guys, welcome back. This is Division 5 and today I'll be showing you the circuit on how to make yourself one of these guys. It's a 12 volt mini charger. Now let's go to the circuit board. I'm having my rectifier, the jumping cable at the positive side of the rectifier, another jumping cable at the negative side of the rectifier, the last jumping cable, and another jumping cable this side. This will be my output ground and my output positive. My 3325 watt capacitor, my 560k resistor, my 155J 400 volt capacitor here connected to the live, and the other side of the rectifier connected to the north. And this is my complete circuit. In my next video I'll be showing you how to regulate the volt you're getting here so that you can have unstable voltage output. Thank you. I hope you subscribe and watch my next video when I'm showing you how to make yourself a regulated volt